So we're down here in Balham in southeast London. This is another project we're starting this morning. So what we're doing on this project is removing all of the Pebbledash from all of the brickwork on the front of the property. Going to be cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks. Lads have done a little sample so far this morning, so we'll see what it's like underneath this dash. It's quite a thin, hard coat of Pebbledash on there, which is always harder to get off as it's a thinner coat. So get all of this off, get all of the brickwork cleaned, cut out all these bad bricks. Then we're going to repaint all of this stonework. Just show you up on the top elevation. So same sort of thing on here. The stonework's in quite good condition, so nothing too concerning on the stonework. Looks like it's been painted in a gloss paint before, so we're going to get rid of all that and repaint all of that. Still got the original drip moulding underneath the window sill, so that's good as well. Windows are all UPVC, so there's no decoration to do on there. And then just the same sort of thing up on the top elevation. There's going to be some bricks underneath the gutter and soffit to replace up here. So we'll strip all of the paint off all of this, get all of these bricks cut out and replaced, and then we'll do some pointing styles for the customer, see what style they want to go for, and get this looking the best house in the street as always. So if you've got any questions, we would like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Balham in southwest London. This is an update video of our Pebbledash removal project we've been currently working on. So what we've done is removed all of the Pebbledash from all of the brickwork on the front of the property, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks. Done really well on this project. Only managed to have to replace 20 bricks in total, considering how bad the brickwork was when the Pebbledash was removed. Lads done a really good job. So everything's been repointed in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. We decorated all of the stonework, so all of the stonework has all been decorated. Just got to give it a wash down. Once the scaffold comes down, just a bit of dust bouncing off the scaffold onto the sills with all this wet weather, so we'll come back and give all of that a wash down once all of the scaffold's down. So brickwork looks amazing, come out really well. Customer is over the moon with how everything's gone. Lovely and smooth as always, no problems at all, straightforward job, in and out. Just to show you upstairs. So as you can see, the point is perfect all the way through, no snags anywhere. All of the collar joints, all nice and tight and buttoned up, no horrible cement collars all around the windows anymore. Perfect the whole way through. What we're going to be doing now, my roofer is away on holiday this week, but next week he's down to come out and have a little look, and we're looking at changing this guttering and this fascia board. Guttering is leaking in a few places on a few of the joins, so we'll put a deeper gutter, 6-inch deep flow gutter on that, and then change the fascia there. So we'll go for a black QPVC, maintenance free for the customer, that's what she wants. All the parapet's all been done as well. So as I said, a lovely clean tidy project once again, finished to the highest standard as always. So if you do like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.